Holy!
Spy here with a kitten. I'm allergic to you guys. That's why I'm so sick. Get out of here. Anyways, hey, how's it going guys? Spy here with another milestone video, and I am very happy with this milestone as we just reached 50,000 subscribers, and that is amazing. 50,000 guys. That is half of 100,000. Now we don't get any special milestone thing from YouTube. As you guys could see from the intro, some people made me some things and it is awesome. Thank you guys so much for being here with me on my channel, enjoying the content and everything like that. There's gonna be some more amazing content coming to the future. I'm not sure what exactly, but there's gonna be some sweet videos coming out in the future. I like how I'm just doing this with my hands. Anyways, I'm not quite sure if this is the actual milestone video, but I'm gonna say this is more of a thank you video as well to all of you who have been here throughout the growth of the channel, and we're gonna keep growing as long as I get my schedule kind of figured out, as it is a little funky right now. I'm not sure why, don't question it. So a lot of you were requesting me to do a Q&A. I've already done 2 to 3 of them, so here's a miniature Q&A from Spy. Spy, where are you from? Canada. So this video might be a little random, so I'm not really sure what I wanted to do with this video, but a little vlog style video is what I usually like doing for these kind of things. So if you guys did not see from my Twitter page, I went to my friend Ryan's place last weekend. If you guys don't know who Ryan is, he's the guy I used to play with on Scrap Mechanic a lot of times.
Notifications.
Don't break it.
I'm not breaking, I'm just gonna.
Oh no!
Bye, Trent. Looks like it's flying.
But anyways, I went to his place and I helped him build his water-cooled computer. I did not get to finish it with him, but he provided me with some awesome footage of it finished. But here is our adventure building the computer.
What's up, peoples of the universe? How's it going?
Spy here with Ryan. Face reveal 50K, whoa! I don't think that's the point of 50K. What we gotta do is we gotta set up the computer, the basics. We're pretty pro at that.
What?
There's little clips on the edge there.
Isn't there a CPU?
Upside down.
Yeah. Oh, everything's so perfect!
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Okay. I just pinched myself. It really hurt. You guys can't see anything. Just very disappointed in myself right now. Let's take apart a brand new graphics card. Whoa! Encircle screws.
That.
If you undo this, it voids your warranty. Sucks. There's only 5 or 6 screws, right? So that goes on like this.
It'd be on the other side.
Oh yeah, but this will, yeah, so it'll be like,
Yeah.
no, it'll be like this. Yeah, perfect. Oh. So this is probably the hardest thing so far.
Removing a cable.
I've never done this before. I'm gonna grab a little screwdriver.
Okay. You had to grab the whole piece and just squeeze.
Yeah, that's what I was figuring, so I was grabbing the... Okay, so...
Bam!
I suck at this. I just throw them. Where'd my filters go? Oh. I used them all up already. I took a whole stack. Are you serious?
Make it look like I'm working.
Your turn. Here. Yeah, we know what we're doing.
Just let it sit for a bit.
30 to 60 seconds.
You probably just bend those back in.
Oh god. Come on. Huh?
You cut your finger?
I bruised it.
Oh.
That hurt. I'm just like, why is my thumb hurting right now? I don't even know what I'm doing.
You're still gonna get your finger.
Well, it's not gonna hurt as much. Why is it the hardest one? There we go.
That's done.
Okay, that's done. This is whatever. That's what it looks like.
Wow.
That actually looks sexy.
Yeah.
We just lie and be like, okay, we went to the store and got a different CPU. That was a whole $600 down the drain. Look at this. Why can't? Look, oh my god. Really? Really, cable mod? Really? Really? I can make that work. 24 connector.
Whoa.
That's the biggest.
That's for the motherboard.
That is for the muddy board.
Muddy board.
It's not gonna work. This is a lot of wiring.
Yeah, that's why it's so expensive.
This is for the motherboard.
Oh, they only have it as a 4.
For the CPU, and they only made it a 4.
That's interesting.
But they forgot to add the other one, but that's fine. We got our SSDs here. We're gonna put those in. Kyle's just behind the camera because he's a camera dude. Yeah, these are so. Oh, feel that. Feel the texture of those.
Whoa, that's gross.
Man, if you guys would have seen my face. Oh my god, this scared the living crap out of me. Good idea, friend.
Oh, okay, there we go. Now it's gonna tighten. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Whoa! Holy snap-a-doodles.
Done. It needs to be pretty secure, it says.
Yeah, I know.
Troubleshooting.
We just make sure this is nice and straight.
Even if we have a bar here, a cutout bar.
Yeah, I'm just thinking of putting a hole here and putting a hole in here. How's this gonna work?
Can you take the tape off? Hopefully this works. I have no clue if it's gonna.
Well, it's okay if we make holes in the case. You know, this is gonna. Actually, I guess everyone's gonna see.
It's.
Okay.
Oh, it's stressful.
Oh no.
We did all this for nothing. Oh no.
How's it look, everybody? Actually got the CPU now, so everything's running nice and smooth. Got the reservoir here. You had to put it on the end, so that's cool. Got our graphics card. Got some cables. Oh yeah, sorry Spy's not here. We're actually don't live close to each other at all. No leaks. That was nice. Everything's working hand-to-handly. Stays at a good 20 degrees Celsius. Underload, 25 underload. It doesn't really go past 30 at all. Some of the bends could have been a little bit more professionally done. You can see that one's kind of kinked. That one's all over the place. Well, you can't really see it actually in the camera. That's nice. This bend took me forever because I messed up so much time. This one right here was the last bend to do, and I messed it up 3 times. Just trying to just give it the bend so it will go into that fitting there. So that one took a long time. I was like, yay, I'm finally done, woo! But in the future, I might try to redo this bend. I ran out of tubing though. I might try to redo this one too. In the video, it doesn't look that bad, but yeah. But other than that, that's the update. Hopefully you guys have a good one. See ya!
Speaking of our schedule, I am going to be continuing TerraTech, My Summer Car, more Scrap Mechanic of course, and also I might not be playing too much more of 7 Days to Die and a few other of the games on my channel, including Project Zomboid, as those games aren't really getting too much publicity yet. So hopefully you guys enjoy the content that I will be putting out. I'm trying to get my schedule all combined together, so hopefully it turns out good. But anyways guys, that's pretty much it for the vlog. I'm not sure if it was very long or not, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it. It was pretty fun doing this kind of stuff, and I'm still very happy that we reached 50,000 subscribers. We're probably a little over right now because I like to be safe just in case YouTube or something happens to these subscribers. YouTube is messing up right now if you guys didn't know. Every time you upload a video, your subscribers go down a little bit. And also your subscribers that are subscribed to your channel don't actually get to see the videos posted on your channel at times. So make sure you guys are subscribed if you do want to see more awesome content. But anyways guys, thank you for watching and subscribing. And remember, stay sweet as always, and see you guys later. Bye!
Peoples of the universe.
Holy moly!